Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to implement a system that detects cars using Gaussian mixture models in MATLAB. So I have implemented a code for the following problem statement. So let's just run this file first and see the output. Okay, so we can see the multiple figures. Let me tell you about the figures one by one. So there are basically four figures. This is the figure 1, which is basically the scenario, which is basically a video frame, which is basically a scenario of a road in which cars are running. So this is the figure 1. In figure 2 we can see that we have extracted the foreground of the figure 1, and in figure 3 we have cleaned the foreground which we have extracted in figure 2, and in figure 4 we finally detected the cars, and in figure 5 we can see that the cars are running. For figure 5 we need to run the code again because I think it paused. So let's just run this file again. Okay, as you can see in detected cars, we can see that the cars are running. This is basically a video frame which we have captured in figure 1. So we can see now we have detected the cars, and the detection can be seen by the green rectangular box. Whenever a car is coming, they are covered by a green rectangular box. So this was basically the output. So before explaining you the code, let me tell you what this video is about. So basically this video shows how to detect and count cars in a video sequence using foreground detector based on Gaussian mixture model. As we know, detecting and counting cars can be used to analyze traffic patterns. So this video basically shows how to use the foreground detector and blow up analysis to detect and count cars in a video sequence. And in this video, in this code, we assume that the camera is stationary. Okay. So let's just understand this code now. This is basically the step 1. In step 1, what am I doing? I start by obtaining an initial video frame in which the moving objects are segmented from the background, and the foreground detector requires a certain number of video frames in order to initialize the Gaussian mixture models. This is basically the step 1. In step 2, what am I doing? I am detecting cars in initial video frames, and the foreground segmentation process is not perfect and often includes undesirable noise. So as you can see, I have used strrel function in which the property is square and the size is 3. Next I have applied filter on the foreground, and I am displaying the figure. Next, what am I doing? I am doing blob analysis. We are basically finding boxes of each connected component corresponding to a moving car by using blob analysis object. This object further filters the detected foreground by rejecting blobs which contain fewer than 150 pixels. And after that, what am I doing? I'm doing like the number of bounding boxes corresponds to the number of cars found in the video frame. Then after that I'm displaying the number of found cars in the upper left corner of the processed video frame. And in step 3 I'm basically processing the rest of the video frames. In the final step we process the remaining video frames, and we are storing all of the result in video player variable. And at the last we have finally detected the cars with the use of Gaussian filter mixture models. So that was the code. You can use any video frame in which cars are there to detect the cars or any of the object. That's how I have implemented. Thank you for watching.